Hello guys, this is me Dr. today here, and I'm going to discuss today about the NLE exam and how I pass my NLE exam. So without wasting time, let's come to the point. Before going to discuss about the NLE exam, I'm here to add some of the important questions usually asked by a fresh medical graduate. Medical graduates usually ask the question like, how do I pass my NLE exam, how to prepare for NLE exam, syllabus and books for this NLE test. Everybody wants to know how to prepare for this exam, how I pass my NLE exam, but I personally will add here one most important thing, that is when to apply for that NLE exam. I personally will suggest you people that you should apply after your graduation, as this is the time you usually remember the things which you have studied earlier. So this is the best time for applying in NLE1 part. Then comes the second point, which is syllabus and books. Syllabus will be according to PMC, as the test consisting of 200 MCQ. Out of that, 60 will be from your basic sciences like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, and 140 MCQ will be from your clinical side, that is clinical medicine, surgery. Most of the portion will be from these subjects. So you have to prepare yourself according to that syllabus. Then comes another question, which is regarding the books for NLE test. I personally will recommend you people that you should at least study the medical book for NLE, which is a good book, and it covers almost every topic, important topic, from your first prof to the final prof. So you should study this book at least. This book also contains the mock test and previous past papers. And another important point here is the plus point of this book is this book contains the MCQ with the explanatory answers. So this will help you a lot in understanding the MCQ as well. So I personally will suggest you people that you should go for this book. There are other books like Gold Standard for NLE. You can also go for that book, but I will personally suggest that you should go for medical for NLE. Finally, I am coming to the last question which you people are waiting for. How do I pass my NLE exam? This is simple. I just sit in the exam center, I solve the MCQ, I give my 100% there, and I just pass that exam without even reading a single book. So this is not the case for you people. Me and my friend passed this exam without reading a book. I am suggesting you people that you should study NLE, medical for NLE, which is a good book. I have studied this later on. I've seen that MCQs later that these have good explanatory answers, so that's why I'm suggesting you people that book. Another point that is I'm adding here finally is you should give 100% at the center, at the exam center. You should give your 100% at that point. Before going to end my video, I will add here the last line that you should give 100% in the exam center, because when I was solving the MCQs there in the exam center, I gave my 100% there. Maybe that's the reason me and my friend passed the exam, and you should give your 100% there, which most people don't do. So this is all about today. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.